Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L1455 printer driver, download and install, and how to connect to your system. So first guys, you have to open any browser to type the Epson L1455 driver, okay, and then hit enter. After that you can see the search result Epson co.in, this official website, so you have to just click on it. Wait few seconds. Now this is buffering. By default detect the Windows 10 driver, so you can install it. Otherwise if you want to change, so you can select the Windows 11. So find out. Okay, it is not there, you just select the Windows 10, it will work. Okay, after that the Epson printer installations guide, and this is the driver, just click on it. After that extract, and this is the printer driver, and then click on it. When you click, after that open new tab, you just check the I agree the software the license. You can see it, this driver work Windows 11, Windows 10, 8 and all, Windows 7 also, and you just click to download. After that you can see it is start downloading. It will take some time, and might be this is on file size 30 MB, so it will complete it. After that just single click to open, and then yes. So if you want to set default and software update, so check, uncheck, or depend about you. After that just click on it and then click OK. Then select the languages if you want to change, otherwise just OK. After that agree, and then again click to OK. Wait few seconds, so you can see the installing the printer driver. It will make several minutes.